Dear students, welcome to our maths class. That is a statistics part 3. Yesterday we have discussed the method is direct method, that is to find arithmetic mean using direct method. The formula is x bar is equal to summation fi into xi by summation fi. Today also we are going to find arithmetic mean, but a method is called assumed mean method. The formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation fi into di by summation fi, where you have to indicate all the letters here. Here A means assumed mean. A means assumed mean. The method is called assumed mean method. A is one of exercise. One of exercise. Exercise is nothing but midpoints of class intervals. But we are actually taking A is a mid value of the xi. And di is equal to deviations. We are finding deviations here xi minus a. And fi's is nothing but frequencies of the respective class intervals. Okay, why we are using this method, assumed mean method? Why? Because when xi's and fi's are large in number, the calculation part is a very big numbers we are getting. That is a time consuming process. To minimize this time, so we are using to minimize this xi's or fi's values, we are using a assumed mean method. Okay, let us take one problem. That is a 14.1. Problem number 2. First problem we have already discussed in the last class. Let us take a second problem. The problem is given like this. The daily wages of 50 workers of a factory are given in the following data. Okay. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory using an appropriate method. Okay. We want to find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory using an appropriate method. Here given daily wages are given in rupees and number of workers are also given. 200 to 250 rupees, number of workers are 12, and 250 to 300, number of workers are 14, 300 rupees to 350, number of workers are 8, 350 to 400, number of workers are 6, and 400 to 450, number of workers are 10. We want to find a mean daily wages of a worker. Okay. Then this is the given data. This is two rows. Then in solution, these two rows you have to consider these two rows as two columns you have to take in the solution. That is a daily wages in rupees is nothing but class intervals, CI class intervals, and number of workers is nothing but FI. You have to consider these two rows. In solution, you have to take two columns. Okay. Class intervals given, FI given. Then we want to calculate XI. How to calculate XI? XI is nothing but mid values of the class intervals. That is a first class interval is 200 plus 250 by how much? By 2. That is 450 by 2. How much? That is we get a 225 we get. Okay. Second class interval similarly 250 plus 300 by 2. What you get? 300, that is a 550 by 2. That is a 275 you get. Okay. Okay. Similarly, all the remaining class intervals you have to calculate mid values of a class interval. That is we get a 225. Here is a 275. 300 to 350 is mid value is 325, and 350 to 400 mid value is 375, and 400 to 450 mid value is 425. Then remember the formula. What is the formula given? Formula assumed mean a bar is equal to given, x bar is equal to given. That is a assumed mean method. X bar is equal to a plus summation fi into di by summation fi. Okay. Here a, what is a? A is a assumed mean. You have to assume one of xi's. You have to assume one of xi's mean for our convenience you have to take mid value of xi's. One of the mid value of xi's you have to take, that is a assumed mean. Then define di is equal to deviations is nothing but xi minus a. That is xi minus a. What is a? A is nothing but 325 you have to take. Okay, 325. Then calculate xi is 225. 225 minus 325. How much you get? That is a minus 100 you get. Minus 100. Then 275 minus 325. How much? That is a 75, 25, 25. That is a minus 50 you get. Then 325 minus 325, that is a 0 you get. And next 375 minus 325, that is a 50. And similarly 425 minus 325 is 100 you get. These are the DIs, deviations. DI means deviations. Deviations are calculated at xi minus a. A is here 325. Then come to see formula. What is their formula? In formula, summation fi into di is there. Before going to calculate summation, you have to calculate fi into di. That is fi into di. Fi into di you have to calculate. What is fi into di here? Fi is there here. Fi is 12 and di is minus 100. 12 into minus 100 is minus 1200. Next 14 into minus 50, that is a minus 700 you get. Okay, and 8 into 0 is 0, and 6 into 50 is 300, and 10 into 100 is, that is 1000. Okay, these are the fi into di. Then we want to calculate summation fi into di. That is a summation fi into di is equal to, you have to add up. Before adding, this is a negative, so you have to add first, and positive you have to add. That is minus 1200 minus 700 is minus 1900 you get, and 300 plus 1000 is, that is 1300 you get. Okay, then minus 1900 plus 1300 you get minus 600 you get. Okay, this is a summation fi into di. Then in formula summation fi, what is summation fi? Total frequencies, that is a number of workers are given here. Summation fi is equal to 50 workers are given. You have to calculate here. You sum it. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 8 how much? 24. 24 plus 14 is 24, 28, 38. 38 plus 12 is 50. Okay, 50 workers are already given. Then use the formula. What is the formula? Direct assumed mean method is x bar is equal to a plus summation fi into di by summation fi. All these values you have to substitute here. That is the mean x bar is equal to a assumed mean is 325. 325 plus summation fi into di is already there in the here table. Summation fi into di is minus 600 divided by summation fi. What is summation fi? Summation fi is 50. Okay, 50. You have to simplify. 10 10 get cancelled. Okay, 10 10 get cancelled. Again cancel with 5. 5 ones are and 5 twos are. That is 325 minus 12. Plus into minus minus. Therefore subtract 12 from 325. We get 313. What is it? Therefore the daily wages of a worker is rupees 313. Okay, thank you. Next class we are going to discuss same calculate arithmetic mean, but a different method, another method, that is a step deviation method. That will we use next method. Okay, thank you.